The sensor bridge is the next product that we're going to look at. The sensor bridge is a completely wireless device, and it does exactly what its name says. It bridges a sensor signal wirelessly through the network. I'd like to point out here that the only wires that are running inside this cabinet are actually power wires or a signal wire that is connected to one of the sensors that are on the board. So those signal wires are running into these devices, but the information that is being communicated through these devices is all being communicated wirelessly through the mesh network that this board's making. The sensor bridge can have devices like a Lux sensor, a motion sensor, pulse switch, a latching switch. You can have normally open, normally closed devices, and all these devices can be integrated into the sensor bridge and then programmed via our software platform. The real benefit to the sensor bridge is that you can imagine in a large facility, you may have your LLC installed at the front of the building, but perhaps there's an entry door at the back of the building. Now, you may want to switch to override the lighting system and get the lights on at the rear entry door. And in traditional systems, what you would need to do is run a switch wire from the LLC, perhaps 600 feet, all the way to the back of the building to provide that control there. With the wireless sensor bridge, you install the sensor bridge at that point of entry. You wire your switch connection into the sensor bridge, power the device locally back at the entry door, and then everything else is done with software. When that switch is pressed, the signal from the switch goes instantly through the mesh network of the building, back to the LLC, and perhaps that switch means the lights go on from off to 80% power.